Dinosaur Discovery. One bright morning, as Grandpa sat in his garden, Zara and Mani came running toward him. Zara and Mani both loved adventures, especially when Grandpa was with them. Zara asked excitedly, "Grandpa, can we go exploring?" Grandpa smiled. "Of course. Let's take a walk near the forest." The three explorers packed some water and snacks and followed a peaceful path toward the forest. The sun was shining, birds were singing, and colorful butterflies were flying between the flowers. Suddenly, Zara stopped. "Grandpa, look at the ground." Grandpa looked down. There was a strange mark in the soft soil. It was enormous. "Is that a footprint?" Mani asked. Grandpa nodded. "Yes, it looks like a footprint." "But whose footprint is it?" Zara wondered. They looked around and discovered more footprints. The marks were very large and had 3 long toes. Mani's eyes became wide. "Could it be a dinosaur?" Grandpa smiled. "It looks like a dinosaur footprint, but remember, dinosaurs lived millions of years ago." Zara became excited. "Then we discovered something from the past." Could it be a dinosaur? They carefully followed the footprints deeper into the forest. The footprints became bigger and bigger. "Wow!" Zara shouted. "That one is giant!" Grandpa explained. "Giant means very big." Then Mani noticed something tiny beside a tree. "Grandpa, look! Something tiny!" It was a little insect crawling across a leaf. Grandpa smiled. "Exactly! Tiny means very small." Suddenly, they heard a strange sound. Roar! Zara quickly held Grandpa's hand. Was that a dinosaur? Grandpa listened carefully. "Let's stay calm and find out." They slowly walked toward the sound. Behind a group of trees, they discovered a large bird making a funny call. Zara laughed. It wasn't a dinosaur. Everyone laughed together. Just then, Zara noticed something unusual near a large rock. Several round objects were partly covered by soil. "Grandpa, look! Are those dinosaur eggs?" Grandpa carefully examined them. They could look like eggs, but we should not touch them. We can observe them from a safe distance. Mani pointed at the ground. Could the footprints and eggs belong together? "That is a wonderful question," Grandpa said. "Scientists ask questions like that when they make discoveries." Then Grandpa explained another important word: fossil. A fossil is preserved evidence of ancient life. Fossils help scientists learn about animals and plants that lived long ago. Zara repeated, "Fossil." Mani smiled. "Dinosaur fossil." Before leaving, the children looked at the footprints one more time. "Today we learned so many new words," Zara said. Mani proudly added, "Dinosaur, giant, tiny, footprints, forest, roar, eggs, and fossil." Grandpa smiled. "You learned something even more important. Curiosity helps us discover new things." On their way home, Zara imagined a giant dinosaur walking through the ancient forest. Mani imagined finding a dinosaur fossil. The adventure had ended, but their curiosity had just begun. Grandpa looked at them and said, "Keep asking questions, keep exploring, and never stop learning." Zara and Mani smiled. "Tomorrow, we want another adventure." And together, they walked home happily, dreaming about the amazing world of dinosaurs.